So we stopped by this park because they have this huge slide and Emerson's going to go down it. And we want to see if she comes shooting out of there. No? Man, it's like quite the challenge to get up there. All right. Oh, jeez. Come on, Viv, you got to do it.
It's really, really fun. You want me to stand behind you while you go up that thing? Okay.
Oh, she's going to use the climbing wall. Look at this. Vivi's a little nervous with heights. So to get up there, you got to kind of climb a... And she's just... Other little kid's just going to cut right in front. She's like, you're going too slow. Oh, jeez. That doesn't look like the safest thing in the world either. Come on, Viv, you got this. All right. Em, go down the slide one more time. There she goes. Oh, her face. This is an awesome slide, though. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 turns.
You're clear.
I'd do it, but I'd probably get stuck.
You would. Those turns.
It turns out, gosh, that's great. Hey, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We are in a town called Shawano, Wisconsin, and we are at the Twig's bottling factory, and they do Sun Drop soda. What's up?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you were motioning to me to do something. No, you were just cracking your knuckles.
No, my hands ache today.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's not your fault.
So we are at the Twig's bottling factory, and they have a museum here and a gift shop, and we're going to go in and check it out. Ready to go?
Yep.
Let's do it. So here at the Twig's Museum, you look through the old storefronts, you watch a little movie about Sundrop, you see the bottling line, and you just go through this really nice museum. The music was really loud in here, so that's why I am doing the voiceover part. But yeah, you got a lot of different things to look at in here. A lot of history. So a little bit about the Twigs. It was a dream come true for Floyd Hartwig. He had heard of a bottling boom business while he was in the Korean War, and he sent his paychecks home to invest in bottling equipment. Once back home, friends of Floyd, or Twig as he was called, began to make a bottling plant that was built on the same plot of land where it still stands today. And Floyd would actually see his dream become a reality. Starting out slow, Twig's Beverage would sell a case of soda, and that would buy his wife and family a loaf of bread. With limited means, they would have to resort to funky fixes, where machines would break down, and then they would have to just kind of improv on how they would make. I guess once he actually used an axe handle to mix batches when one of the machines broke. These flavors and brands Floyd offered included Bullseye Root Beer and Goody Orange, and they became their inspirations for their own flavors of root beer, grape, orange, and black cherry. Well, as time went on, Twig's Beverage became a staple of Shawano. selling their flavors to generations of customers, especially during the holidays. Their growing popularity sparked interest for the first citrus sodas of the 1950s, Sundrop. The creator, Charles Lazier, needed a place to produce and distribute his new Golden Cola, and so Floyd agreed to Charles' request and became one bottler among several in the Wisconsin area that made his delicious soft drink. As Floyd got older, his business got busier because his fellow bottlers were forced to close due to hardships of supply and demand. This influx pushed Twig's Beverage to test the limits of what a small business could actually do. When Floyd's health declined in 1986, he didn't want his ever-growing empire to slip into the hands of the unknown. So his son and current owner, Dan, took over his father's legacy. Continuing on the right track, Dan expanded the company's products, distribution locations, and capabilities. This listing includes, but is not limited to, non-returnable glass sodas, Shawano water bottling plant, co-packing different companies' products, and making all of his and more available to cover northeastern Wisconsin and upper Michigan. Dan now works alongside his wife Diane and their 3 sons, Lucas, Jacob, and Ben. We actually met Jacob and Ben when we were on the tour. So what exactly is Sundrop soda? Well, to quote right from their website, it's a soda. A citrus soda, to be precise. It's a lemon, lime, and orange trifecta of surprisingly good that delights and refreshes the taste buds. It's like a giant pipeline of refreshment channeled directly to you for the sole purpose of quenching your thirst. Check out the Sundrop guitar. Yeah, so we're going to go and we're going to check out the, what is it, the non-returnable bottling line. So Ben, the world's largest Sundrop drinker. These are his feet. All right. So this is part of the bottling factory. Look at the early 1960s uncut Sundrop bottle cap sheet. Please do not feed the workers. Now, normally there would be bottles coming through here, but it is Labor Day weekend, so everybody's off for the weekend. Do not tap on the glass. The workers are easily startled. Yeah, so this is an actual bottling plant right here. They bottle up the soda, the Sundrop. Here we got a tasting bar up here. We're gonna taste ourselves some soda. So here we can do a bunch of free samples, and there's the menu right there. I'm doing a diet black cherry right here. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that's good. So you can do a mix and match, 4-pack for $4, 12 packs for $11. You save yourself $1 with a 12-pack. Available in the gift shop. So this is employees only, but this is their back storeroom. And the frames are created by Henry Schultz, and the stained glass windows are created by Gary Gurney. Look at that. Oh, get the great parties start here. Try these recipes at home. So you can buy certain sodas and you add them to your punches, or they got Sundrop cake. So yeah, I think I'm going to take a picture of this board. There's more to see. Just follow him. Forget-me-not grape. That's their newest flavors, introduced in 2016. This is a fun little museum. You can play games. They got Jenga and checkers and start things like that. I like the old hand chairs here. But they got a little film on how everything is made and the bottling. So they do special products they make for contract clients. They got the Kramer and the Mona Lisa. She's got herself a sun drop. Things back over here. Ideal ice cream. Shawano. Here's Shawano looking north, right here. They have a little movie in here all about the history of Sundrop. And of course they have a gift shop. So we each pick out a flavor. So we each get one, and there we go. So I got sour. What did you guys get?
I got just a regular Sundrop.
Okay. Okay.
And then Mother got a diet grape.
A grape. Excellent. All right. They got t-shirts. Look at, they even got little shot glasses here. Coffee mugs.
Yep.
Maple syrup. Look at, I can get a lapel pin for $3. That one, or this one's $4. You got t-shirts, all sorts of stuff. They got these nice fleece jackets. They are $50. You can get either Twigs or Sundrop fleece jackets. They got hats, t-shirts, all sorts of stuff here. So I was gonna get this the cherry lemon logo shirt, but I saw this one. It says the Sundrop University from Twig's Beverage, and so it's got everything, and it's got the name of the town, and so I like this one. And it's only $15. So Sundrop Soda here at Twig's in Shawano, Wisconsin. They've been here since 1951. Look at her, just blowing you that kiss right there. That sun-dropped kiss. Sundrop University. So this is the bottling factory. And there's also a museum and a gift shop in here. Hey, check out the girls. They got Sundrop sweatshirts. Look at that. Cherry lemon and original lemon lime. And you just got Pixar. That's what you'll up the house with.
Nothing at the store.
You got a soda pop. Yeah. So did they not have magnets?
No, I didn't see any magnets.
You want me to go back in and ask
You can.
if they got one?
I didn't see any.
Okay, I'll see. So how did everybody like Twig's Bottling Factory?
It's cool.
Awesome.
It was really fun. It was an interesting little museum. And the funny thing is it's family owned, so half the family, we saw pictures of the family on the walls, and they're here. They're working.
Yeah.
We saw Jake. Not from State Farm, but from Twig's. It was just a fun museum, and I liked it a lot.
It was interesting that people were coming in and buying just cases.
Yeah, cases of
bottles
soda.
of, like the 8-pack that I used to carry in the bottles for my grandmother, and she used to give us $1.
Yep. Yeah, and you can always return the bottles
Right.
here.
We would take them out.
It's cheaper to get your refills.
Yeah, you get your refills here, and then but you get like a nickel deposit or something, or your back a refund for returning the bottles. So that's pretty cool. So a lot of people coming in and out of here. It's busier than I thought.
Really busy, yeah.
And but yeah, they got people pushing carts with cases and cases and cases and loading up cars and stuff
Sorry, I
like
was looking
that.
at the guy in the kilt and the kiss shirt.
Yeah, I saw that too. I almost wish I had got a shot of him, but yeah, he was
But
wearing
a kiss shirt and a kilt.
And a kilt.
I mean, it was quite the combination.
kiss kilt.
Kiss me under the... Oh,
Watch it. All right. So if everybody enjoyed what they saw today, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. I almost got that out. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. If you want to correspond with us via P.O. Box, I will leave that link below. And also, I will leave the link below to our interactive map of where the heck have the Albans been, which is put together by one of our subscribers, Davey Sitter. And she shows everywhere that we've been, so that's awesome. So another place for her to add. All right, we got Emerson. I didn't even really talk about her when we first got
the
her.
band back together.
We got the band back together, man. So Emerson was able to join us today.
Well, it's your birthday weekend.
It is my birthday weekend. That's right.
Even
Yeah.
Ebert has made an appearance with us.
Yeah, Ebert the blanket.
Well, they got me up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So
Well, it was only what? It's only a 4.5 hour drive up here, right? Something like that.
Well, we could have left later, but you have a dog sitting job in the afternoon, so.
Yep. So I think we're gonna get something to eat, and then basically just hang out, just head on back home.
Cannibal sandwiches.
Cannibal sandwiches. That's what you want, huh?
I don't know if we can find them.
Okay. Well, we'll see. All right, everybody. We'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.
Bye.